A question we often hear is it possible to increase my Social Security benefits? The answer is yes. There are 3 basic ways you can boost your benefits: work more years, earn more in annual income, and claim benefits later. Social Security benefits are based on an average of your 35 highest earning years. By working more years, you can replace any zeros from missed years or lower wage years to create a better base for your benefit calculations. The Social Security formula is based on earnings up to a designated limit each year. That limit can change. In 2003, for example, that limit was $87,000. In 2016, the limit was $118,500. If you're earning less than the annual limit, a higher working income will help you increase your benefit. Working overtime, extra hours, or taking a second job are all ways to boost that annual income. You can claim benefits as early as age 62, but the longer you wait, the higher your monthly benefit will be. The difference in income when added up over a lifetime can be enormous. For more information on how to maximize your Social Security benefits, please call or visit our website today.